Oh, hi! Welcome to Pizza Class. I'm Bill, and I'm very excited that you've joined me for this video series on how to make great pizzeria style pizza at home. Now, if you're like most people, your thoughts of making pizza at home involve a frozen pizza, or worse, one of those cardboard crusts that you buy and smothering jarred sauce on it and calling it a day. Not that that's all bad, but I'm here to tell you that you can make great pizzeria style pizza in your home with just the things that you already have in your kitchen. And that's what this video series is all about. Now, I've never stepped foot inside of a professional kitchen, so I don't know much about professional cooking instruction. In fact, I'm here in my own kitchen, hoping to share with you that you can do just like I did and learn how to make pizza in your own kitchen. Now, I did have a little experience working at pizzerias all through high school and college, and I brought some of that knowledge to this video series as well. But most of my experience is in over 20 years of trying to perfect pizza in my kitchen, and that's what this is all about. You too, after watching these classes, can make great tasting pizzeria style pizza at home, impressing your friends and family like you never thought you could. Now we're going to learn in this series a number of different things. I'll talk about ovens, I'll talk about basic pizza equipment, I'll talk about ingredients and toppings and especially dough. And we'll go over all those things in an easy to understand way so that you can keep the most important knowledge about pizza for yourself. I hope you enjoyed this video series, and I'm really looking forward to this adventure with each of you. Thanks again for watching Pizza Class.